Given a low pass prototype transfer function, that is HP of S is equal to 1 upon S plus 1, determine the high pass filter with a cutoff frequency of 40 radians per second. Determine band pass filter with a center frequency of 100 radians per second and bandwidth of 20 radians per second. So in this problem, low pass prototype transfer function is given, that is 1 over S plus 1. With the help of this, we are supposed to find high pass transfer function and band pass transfer function. We know analog to analog transformations. With the help of that, first let us see how to get the transfer function of high pass filter with the help of low pass prototype transfer function. The transfer function of high pass filter is equal to transfer function of low pass prototype, provided that S should be replaced by omega u by S. Here omega u is cutoff frequency of desired filter. So here the desired filter is high pass filter. Therefore cutoff frequency of this high pass filter given is 40 radians per second. So now we supposed to replace S by 40 by S because omega u is 40. So now the given low pass prototype filter is 1 over S plus 1. So now I can say transfer function of high pass filter is equal to HP of S, that is low pass prototype, its value is given 1 over S plus 1. Here S should be replaced by 40 by S. Therefore now I can write high pass filter is equal to 1 over, replace each S by 40 by S. 40 by S plus 1. Simplifying this, we'll get S divided by 40 plus S, or which is equal to S divided by S plus 40. So this is the transfer function of desired high pass filter. In second sub question, we supposed to calculate band pass filter with the help of given low pass prototype filter. So we supposed to do low pass to band pass transformation. That is, it gives us transfer function of band pass is equal to low pass prototype filter, provided that S is replaced by S square plus omega u omega L divided by S in bracket omega u minus omega L, which is also equal to S square plus omega naught square divided by S into beta naught. Here omega naught square is nothing but center frequency. Omega naught is center frequency of band pass filter, which is given as 100 radians per second. Similarly, B naught is the bandwidth. Therefore, B naught is bandwidth and its value is given as 20 radians per second. Therefore now I can write S as equal to S square plus 100 square, because omega naught square, omega naught is 100, divided by S into 20. Therefore now I can write band pass filter is equal to, the low pass prototype filter is given by 1 over S plus 1. Here S should be replaced by S square plus 100 square divided by S into 20. Therefore I can write band pass filter transfer function is equal to 1 over, I will replace this S by this value, that is S square plus 100 square divided by 20S plus 1. Simplifying this, we'll get 20s divided by s square plus 20s plus 10,000. So this is, thank you.